Let's see. Action, Todd.
Okay, first of all, contacts for the iPad is linked directly with the point of sale system that we have here at James Creek. So if you have a new customer that comes into the shop, first you want to exit out of the point of sale, quick sell, go to your contacts menu, and here you want to add all the information. There's a plus sign at the bottom. You push plus, and we're going to give an example. We're going to put John Smith. So John goes for a first name, tap the last name, put Smith. And under a company below the name Smith, we're going to put all the racket information that we need for racket restringing. So if they bring a Wilson racket in, we're going to put Wilson. And then what type of Wilson racket is, we'll say the blade, just as an example. In the next spot, we're going to put what type of string they would like. So we'll put, we're going to abbreviate print synthetic gut. It's the most common string that most players use. So we're going to put PSG. The type of thickness of string, so your choices are 18, 17, 16 gauge. So in this case, we're just going to put 16. And then we want to put the tension, 55. And the last thing on this this item line is we're going to put whether or not the customer would like the racket stencil or not. Now, if they don't put anything initially, we're going to stencil it right off the bat as part of our professional player service that we offer here. So whatever racket it is, we're just going to put a capital letter and let us know. In this case, we're going to put a W. Below that, we put get a customer phone number or email. Once we save those in place, then we're going to click Done. And as soon as we click Done, it's automatically added to the list in Quick Sale. You hit the picture ID in the corner beside customer name. You can search for the name. So we're going to put John so we can find the name. And it's not John Isner. John Smith right there. We just added that, and see it pulls up all their customer information there if they need to get a racket restrung. If you need to make modifications, changing the string or string tension or whatnot, go back to contacts, edit that field, and then save it. And it'll automatically edit in Quick Sale. Let's say John Smith does bring in a racket. He uses print synthetic gut, so we want to find that item. We click Categories and look for print strings. It's a type of print string. And we search for that. We push the button, click on prints. It adds it to the queue with the price, and up above it has tax included, and that will be their total price. Before we go any further, we want to save this information. At the bottom right-hand corner of the iPad kiosk, you'll see that it'll have a little red light lit. Is that red? We want to click and save that. That way it will never lose the information. So if you accidentally do something with it, it'll be saved into the system. And if I need to make further modifications, I can edit it myself. If they want to go ahead and pay for the racket stringing, their total cost is $23.54. So we're going to click the payment key next to it. Under this field, you'll see the type of method that they do. If they pay cash, we just click the check for $23.54. Let's say that you're not too confident in trying to exchange cash. What you can do, let's say they give you $30. We're going to put $30. And we hit the plus sign. And it shows, it's telling you that there's an overpayment due, and the change due is $6.46. So don't really have to think about that. Just put in what they give you, and you'll know the exact change to give them. We're going to cancel that because we don't want to make the sale complete. If they pay by credit card, we just go up here at the top, click credit card. It puts the credit card amount in there, hit the check, and it'll complete the sale. Okay, let's backtrack. Let's say that they don't want to pay yet because I haven't clicked the check mark, so the sale has not gone through yet. What we want to do now is we want to print an invoice so we can attach it to the handle of the racket because it's waiting to be strung. So at the bottom, you'll see print. You click the print button, you send the printer, and then when you print the print button, it prints down below. If it doesn't print for any reason, usually it's because the printer's out of paper, and it'll let you know that. Just put more printer in the paper and click OK, and it'll print. This has been the basic tutorial for Quick Sell here at James Creek Tennis Center. Thanks for